First on 4, the family of a Valley woman set to be executed this year for killing her 2-year-old daughter is calling on the Cameron County District Attorney to stop the execution.
CBS 4's Marco Ramirez is working for you tonight. He spoke with the family of Melissa Lucio and joins us live from our newsroom with more. Marco.
Well, Chris and Faith, Melissa Lucio was found guilty for her daughter's death back in 2008, and Lucio's execution is now set for April 27th. But her family says there's more to this story and is asking the DA to reinvestigate the case once again.
Watch the film! Watch the film! We weren't there when it happened, but we believe deep down of, talking to siblings and talking to Melissa and that it was a honest accident.
It was on February 17th, 2007, when paramedics were called to a Harlingen apartment and found 2-year-old Mariah covered in bruises. Her mother, Melissa Lucio, told authorities her daughter had fallen down the stairs. Lucio was sentenced to death a year later after a jury convicted her of beating and killing Mariah. French filmmaker Sabrina Van Tassel produced the documentary called The State of Texas versus Melissa about Mariah's murder. Lucio's family says the documentary sheds a new light on this case.
In the film, there is one of her sons stating he saw Mariah fall. Why wasn't that used in court? Why wasn't that used in court?
The documentary claims Lucio did not have a fair defense in the trial and was possibly coerced in the confession she gave to investigators. Lucio's family, along with the advocacy group Death Penalty Action, are delivering a petition with over 30,000 signatures, asking the Cameron County DA's office to withdraw the execution warrant.
This is the kind of case where no matter where you stand on the death penalty, nobody wants to be the wrong person executed, and nobody should want to have that blood on their hands, too.
But the medical examiner's records show the injuries baby Mariah had were consistent with ongoing abuse, with bruises, bite marks on her back, and a broken arms, injuries that were weeks old. In the past, Lucio's attorneys issued 6 appeals which were dismissed or denied. In a statement, DA Louise Saenz said, "The time has come to finally carry out the sentence legally imposed by a jury of her peers and justice for 2-year-old baby Mariah."
They're gonna kill her. She's not a murderer. There will be murderers that they kill an innocent woman. She's not guilty. She's not guilty. She's innocent. Please, we're just asking to watch the film.
It's extremely difficult. It's brought a lot of distress to our whole family, a lot of separation in our family, but the ones that are still here, we're still here fighting for my sister.
And Lucio's family was not able to deliver the petition to Saenz in person since he was not in the office. Her lawyer also claims the prosecution relied on a false confession from Lucio. Her attorney also saying there was tainted witnesses that persuaded the jury to convict her. Working for you in the newsroom tonight, I'm Marco Ramirez.